Hi, this is SYSTO Remote Channel. Today we show this air conditioner remote control. It is suitable for most Daikin brand air conditioners. Various functions with timing function. The setting method is also printed on the back. This remote control can replace these older models on the box. Let's compare DK-DAIKIN air conditioning remote control series. DK01, DK02, DK03, DK04. The DK04 model has a wider and shorter remote control than the DK03. They are all different in shape and size, and the key position is also different. Which one do you prefer?